All right, so what we get out of that deal is this. We get a map that's burned out to my desktop. It's under level 1, room 1, render data, mental ray, light map, bake 3. Looks a lot like this. And what we could do here is assign a black and white to it. Okay, and we can adjust black and white all you want. Hit OK. So the adjusting that would make different kinds of bump maps. So filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. We'll sharpen it up some. And incidentally, as far as sharpen goes, you can actually sharpen up this one too. I find that if it's a very sharp map, it looks pretty good in game. Okay. So let's save these out. Let's save as. We'll save this as my color. And what I need to do is now save them over in my shared assets or Unity under project 8. And there we go. So this one is baked 3. So this one's actually my normal map. And I'll show you how to produce one of those. This one gets saved out under that also. This one's just my color. And some shaders, I won't get into it, but some shaders you can take and lower this down, image adjustments, exposure, and you can adjust the exposure all the way down. And this can also become a specular map. I won't get into that right now, but you can make that just by lowering the exposure and saving as. Here's my spec. So I'll let you play around with those. Okay, so what I have now in my Unity is 3 saved out maps. And Unity is having a heart attack because I saved 3 4096 maps into the folder there. And you see just sharpened everything up. Okay, so here's what you can play around with. The normal map is blue. How'd I do that? Well, I just put 0.01 here and hit generate normal map. And really that's that black and white map, but as long as you have this checked, it'll turn it into a normal map. Pretty neat. And I would say 0.01 is definitely what you need for it. It's very, very harsh. For the actual textures, you should play around with this. This can be like a bumped specular, a bumped diffuse. Okay, so here's my bump map. I can tie that bump map right into there. And if I wanted bump specular, let's say the walls are a little shiny, I can do that. And here's my specular color. Now, as I said, some actually give you the option of plugging in another map. I won't get into that right now, but that does that. And you can see world of difference. Okay, it's sharpened up textures, and now I got a normal map. Much better. Now you just have to assign lights into each of the scenes or each of the rooms. But other than that, that is how it's done, how you generate a normal map based upon a bake. All right, so there we go. I just wanted to show you that. Also, in the next video, I want to show you one more thing back in Photoshop.